Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love keeping your pool crystal clear but hate the hassle of cleaning it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best pool cleaners that will make your life so much easier. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Taking care of a pool is no small feat, which is why investing in equipment as nice as the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a game changer for pool upkeep. We tested it for months to ensure its star quality, and it's only gotten better with time. With its stellar vacuum suction, effortless portability, and easy-to-clean filters, it's not hard to see why we fell in love with this robotic pool cleaner. One of the standout features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is excellent tracking, which made a huge difference in the cleanliness of our pools. Its advanced navigation technology allows the machine to map out the dimensions and angles of your pool's floor and walls to pick up all debris scattered across the bottom. Like a great robot vacuum, it only gets better with more frequent use. After months of testing, we noticed that it seemed to navigate areas of the pool even better than when it was first used due to a better understanding of the pool's surface area, making it as intuitive as it is effective. With a cleaning device that works this effectively, it makes sense that its price tag is a bit high. We think that the performance quality and longevity of this pool cleaner far outweigh the mediocrity of other, less expensive options that may not last longer than a summer. We can confidently say that if you invest in this pool cleaner, you won't be disappointed. Next up, we have the Aiper Scuba S1 Pool Cleaner. Let's face it, having and maintaining a pool is a hassle in and of itself. So the least your pool vacuum can do is effectively clean it bonus points if it's hands-off. That's why we love the intuitive, sleek, and incredibly smart Aiper Scuba S1, a cordless, robotic pool cleaner that ate up our pool's miscellaneous debris in a quick and effective fashion. The machine came completely assembled and fully charged. All we had to do was press a button, drop it in the pool, and let it take care of our messes. We'd liken this cleaner to a Roomba vacuum, because it took off and scrubbed our pool's walls, floors, and even stairs immaculately, returning right to its starting point when the job was complete. We did wish it had a surface skimming mode, as some other pool cleaners we tried also took care of floaters, and let's face it, most debris sits on top of the water. Anyway, it's also worth noting that this model can get pretty heavy when waterlogged, so we'd suggest letting it drain for a second before hoisting it out of the water. But luckily, there's a hook you can attach to your skimmer pole that will help you pull it up. Moving on to our third pick, the Aiper Seagull C Robotic Pool Cleaner. We loved this robotic cleaner for a myriad of reasons. It cleaned almost all of the debris, dirt, and dead leaves that were strewn across our pool floors, parked itself, and was cordless, a high-end touch for a relatively low price. In fact, its reasonable price is probably our favorite thing about this cleaner. All that we had to do was drop this cleaner into the water and watch it work its magic. Its self-navigation system made the experience entirely hands-free, and when the job was done, it parked itself at the edge of the pool for easy retrieval. We will note that we had to remove and empty the filter 3 times in one 90-minute cleaning cycle because of a full filter, though it was admittedly a pretty large pool 40 by 18 feet. However, this does go to show that it can clean several pool sizes, from small to large, and it's worth mentioning that you can use this cleaner in both above and in-ground pools. Our fourth pick is the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic. Dolphin continues to be a winner for us throughout this testing process. This time, the Nautilus CC Supreme takes the cake for superior app-controlled capabilities. We saw major gunk removed from the bottom of our pools thanks to the robot's 3 powerful scrub brushes. And we loved how easy it was to control everything from the cleaning schedule to the type of cleaning spot treatment, wall scrubbing, etc., all from the Dolphin Plus app. For a super sparkly clean, we suggest the enhanced automatic cleaning program. We did notice that the bot had some trouble navigating the stairs and only made it up 1 step. But with a little bit of guidance, it was able to get the job done. While this robot pool cleaner surely isn't cheap, we think it's well worth the extra change thanks to how much time you would save either manually cleaning the pool or rushing home to get the pool beautiful before your backyard bash. Simply activate the vacuum via your app from the office, grocery store, or wherever you may be for a sparkling blue surface upon arrival. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner. Above-ground pools are often cleaned manually, but the Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner is specifically designed to lessen the physical stress of above-ground pool upkeep for you. From floor and wall scrubbing to surface-level cleaning, this robot effectively rid our pools of everything from leaves, dirt, and worms gross we know and left us with crystal clear water. Once we noticed how clean our pools were after using this machine and how the cord never got tangled, it made its heftier price tag more digestible. We've found ourselves recommending this pool cleaner to friends because, let's face it, pool maintenance is not cheap, so you might as well invest in a quality cleaning machine now to prevent costs down the line. Thanks for tuning in. There you have it, our top 5 best pool cleaners that will keep your pool looking spotless all year round. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews.